And they're on our way. Number 5, that is favorite. Shows alertness at the start. Natu Princess running by the rail. Tricky Charlie Sari outside. Moving up Giant Wonder. Then comes China's Gold. Pulse Gold is in behind them as they leave the straight. The order, that is favorite, in command by about 2 lengths. Natu Princess is in second, down in third, China's Gold. Pulse Gold moving up on the outside and moving up as they head towards the last 1,000 meters. The order, it's still number 5, that is favorite, leading the field. Running on the outside now is Pulse Gold by 3/4 of a length, lead by the rail, Natu Princess. Running on the outside, 4th, China's Gold, Tricky Charlies, and Giant Wonder. Heading towards the last 800. That is favorite, is still leading the field, about to throw the challenge now on the outside is Pulse Gold. Then comes Natu Princess, China's Gold remains in 4th, Giant Wonder. Tricky Charlie's pass approaching on the outside. Past the last 600, no change with the leader. That is favorite, is still leading the field. Pulse Gold remains in second, closing in third, Natu Princess, China's Gold, Giant Wonder, second last, and Tricky Charlie's in behind them as they turn for home. That is favorite, is still leading the field, running at the center. Natu Princess is sneaking in down on the inside. Pulse Gold is on the outside with the last 150 more to run. Pulse Gold, Natu Princess is by the rail with the last 75 meters. Now we have Pulse Gold takes the lead by about a length. And finally at the finish line, it's Pulse Gold. Close for second between that is favorite Natu Princess. Then comes China's Gold, Giant Wonder, and Tricky Charlies.